Study Corner. Today we are going to see 30 most interesting GK questions about animals and plants. Which animal die after drinking water? Answer: kangaroo rat. The only food that does not spoil. Answer: honey. Which animal that has no voice? Answer: giraffe. Which animal give both milk and egg? Answer: duck-billed platypus. Which fish can fly in air and walk on land? Answer: garneyfish. Which animal in the world has 3 eyes? Answer: tattara. What is the major difference between bird and fly? Answer: a bird can fly but a fly cannot bird. Which animal gives pink milk? Answer: hippos. Which bird feeds its babies? Answer: bats. Which animal never dies? Answer: jellyfish. How many eyes does a honeybee have? Answer: 5 eyes. What is the creature that never sleeps? Answer: ant. Which tree has no wood? Answer: banana tree. Which bird's waste is used in human face cream? Answer: ugisue. Which animal fingerprint is similar to human? Answer: koala. Which animal eye color changes from golden to blue? Answer: reindeer. Which bird sleeps while flying? Answer: frigate birds. Which animal call each other by name? Answer: dolphins. Which animal has 32 brains? Answer: leeches. Which male animal gives birth? Answer: seahorses. Which male animal turn into a female? Answer: clownfish. Which animal has teeth in its stomach? Answer: lobster. Which animal has long tongue than its body? Answer: tube-lipped nectar bat. Which birds teach secret password to their young ones? Answer: cowbirds. Which insect tastes with their legs? Answer: butterfly. Which fish has heart in its head? Answer: shrimp. Which animal has no brain and no heart? Answer: jellyfish. Which bird lays 100 eggs in one nest? Answer: ostrich hen. How many stomachs does a cow have? Answer: 4. Which came first, the chicken or egg? Answer: egg. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.